Stop right now. 90% of beginners are about to do the stupidest thing imaginable. Lose money, panic, and quit trading forever. Most of them gone, finished, blown accounts, poof. They're gone completely, but not you. You're about to learn trading the right way, the way that turns a complete beginner into someone who leaves everyone else in the dust. Here's the brutal truth nobody talks about. Trading is a skill, not a lottery ticket. Treat it like fast money and the market will annihilate your account in minutes. Most beginners chasing TikTok strategies, copying random YouTube hacks, FOMOing every green candle, and guess what? They fail miserably. But you're about to dominate. Here's how. Phase 1, foundations, the secret weapon of pros. 90% of beginners skip this and crash fast. Candles, charts, trends, support and resistance, volume, risk to reward, position sizing, brokers, spreads, liquidity, day versus swing versus long-term strategies. Boring. Yes, deadly if ignored. This is your trading oxygen. Ignore it and your account dies before it even starts. Phase 2, backtesting, where the winners are born. Pick one simple strategy, moving averages, breakout, RSI, scroll back months or years, mark every entry, every exit, track your win rates, data over guessing, confidence over chaos. While everyone else is throwing darts at charts, you're building evidence-based mastery. Phase 3, simulated trading. Training wheels for dominators. Demo trading is not lame. Slam 100 plus trades, make mistakes, fix them, build discipline, feel the flow of the market without risking real crash. Everyone else losing their shirts. You're getting ready to crush the real thing. Phase 4, real money, tiny amounts, where emotions show up. Even tiny stakes show fear, greed, and hesitation. Most beginners quit here, not you. You'll learn to control emotions before the money matters. Start small, stay calm, stack tiny wins. That's how pros dominate. That's how you crush everyone else before they even start. That's how you leave them back in the dust. The beginner strategy that actually wins. Breakout plus retest. Spot, support, and resistance. Wait for the breakout. Wait for the retest. Enter on confirmation. Stop loss below retest. Take profit at 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. Simple, patient, disciplined. 90% of beginners chase every candle. You're gonna calmly stack wins while they self-destruct before your very eyes. The 5 account killing beginner mistakes. Trading without a plan, risking too much, chasing every move, switching strategies weekly, revenge trading after a loss. Not small mistakes, account destroying landmines. Learn them, avoid them, and survive and dominate. Your 30-day domination roadmap. Week 1, foundations, candles, charts, trends, risk, brokers. Do not skip these. Week 2, pick one simple strategy. Learn it inside and out and apply it consistently. Week 3, backtest 50 to 100 trades, record everything, find your edge, crush everyone else before they even get on your heels. Hit subscribe if you want more no-nonsense guys that actually make you better, trade smart, stay disciplined, crush everyone else.